Are you considering buying a Mercedes in 2025, but unsure if it's worth the investment? With so many options in the luxury car market, it can be difficult to know if the cost is justified. In this video, we'll dive deep into whether a Mercedes is truly worth buying this year. From its luxurious features to its maintenance costs, we'll break down everything you need to know before making that big decision. Let's get started. Why consider a Mercedes in 2025? In 2025, Mercedes continues to be a top choice for luxury car buyers. Whether you're looking for a refined driving experience, cutting-edge technology, or sheer comfort, Mercedes offers it all. But is it still the right decision? The automotive landscape is changing rapidly, with newer, more fuel-efficient, and tech-savvy competitors entering the market. We'll explore why a Mercedes might still be worth your attention, despite the evolving options. Mercedes E-Class. The Mercedes E-Class stands as one of the brand's most popular models, combining timeless luxury with modern features. Known for its sleek design and unparalleled comfort, this car is perfect for those seeking an elegant driving experience. As we explore its key features for 2025, you'll see why the E-Class continues to attract drivers who value both performance and class. Is it the right luxury sedan for you? Comfort and space. Mercedes cars are known for their spacious and comfortable interiors, especially the E-Class. With ample legroom, headroom, and plush seats, it's designed to make long drives feel effortless. But how does this compare to other luxury brands in 2025? This heading will dive into the various features that make the interior of a Mercedes stand out, ensuring that every trip feels like a first-class experience, whether you're driving or being driven. Performance and engine options. Mercedes offers a wide range of engines to suit different driving styles, from fuel-efficient diesels to high-performance AMG models. But in 2025, are these options still competitive? We'll break down the performance options available, including the highly regarded E220d, known for its power and fuel efficiency, and the powerhouse AMG models, delivering thrilling acceleration and speed. Learn what engine fits your lifestyle and whether it's worth the investment for you. Technology and infotainment. Mercedes has long been ahead of the curve in automotive technology, offering some of the most advanced infotainment systems in the industry. The 2025 models come with options like large touchscreen displays, intuitive navigation systems, and voice-activated controls. However, it's not all perfect. Some users report slow startup times for certain systems. We'll explore the high-tech features you can expect and whether they live up to their reputation in 2025. Maintenance and reliability. Owning a Mercedes comes with higher maintenance and repair costs compared to mainstream brands. Regular servicing is essential, and parts can be expensive. However, Mercedes is known for its reliability, and with proper care, it can last for many years. Consider extended warranties or service packages to help manage costs over time. Is it worth the price tag? Mercedes vehicles come with a premium price, but do they offer enough value compared to alternatives like Audi, BMW, or Lexus? While the Mercedes exudes luxury, some competitors offer similar features at lower prices. It's essential to weigh the overall ownership experience, including maintenance costs, before deciding if the price is justified. Should you buy a Mercedes in 2025? After considering performance, comfort, technology, and cost, is a Mercedes still worth the investment in 2025? For many, it remains a top choice due to its luxury, advanced features, and reliability. However, higher costs and newer competitors may make you rethink. Ultimately, it depends on your preferences and priorities in a vehicle. Buying a Mercedes in 2025 can be a great decision for those who value comfort, luxury, and reliability. However, consider factors like maintenance costs and potential recalls. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews, tips, and all things automotive. Thanks for watching. Until next time, drive safe, and make smart choices.